What are you guys having today?
Pizza! And it's so good! Goody time! Goody time! Goody time!
We got that, Mike. Okay, so what kind of pizza are y'all eating?
Pepperoni pizza!
Cool. Pepperoni, all right.
That means we can eat.
Is it good?
Yes.
All right. Y'all get your eat on.
Yes. Yeah!
And where did we get the pizza from?
Walmart.
It looks like it. You get that pizza from Walmart? How's that?
Yes.
You did? All right. What y'all drinking on? Tell me what y'all drinking on.
Sprite.
You got some Sprite. Ain't nothing like washing something down with Sprite. Cool. All right, Zach. Is it good? It's good, Zach. There you go.
Yes.
Yes. Gabriel, what are you doing?
I'm drinking Sprite.
Oh, okay.
This Sprite is pretty good.
It's pretty good. Oh, Gabriel lost his first tooth. Smile.
Yes, I did.
Gabriel lost his first tooth. You gotta lose tooth.
Yeah.
Eat your pizza.
Me?
I was talking to AJ, who always got instructions.
What I am, Mama? Now we
Okay.
some.
It good? What it tastes like, Zach? Zach, what it tastes like? Yes, Mike. Yes, Micah.
Litton's is hungry.
Don't. Litton's half food already.
Emmy's.
Okay. Okay. So Gabriel, you want to eat your pizza before drinking up all your Sprite? Because you want to be able to wash that down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we want to wash that down. You hit the spot, AJ? Zachariah, did it hit the spot? Did it hit the spot? That's what I want to know.
No.
No? Say yes. Yes. It hit the spot. Yes, it hit the spot. I know that's right, Big Daddy.
Spot.
What we talking about, Micah? Your pizza hit the spot? Okay, eat it.
I'm gonna eat my giant pizza.
All right.
It's so good.
It's so good?
It's so good. It's tasty.
All right. So tell me about y'all day. What did y'all do today?
Went to school.
Duh.
School.
What you do at school?
Learning stuff.
Like what? What did you learn?
The thing I told you in the car.
What is it?
I'm learning a little musk girl, I guess. We were learning about her, like we can draw a picture about it or like write about it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, someone took the cat. Shh. Get a cat.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Mama.
Yes, Micah.
Today I ordered the candy. I did the candy paper today when it was almost time to go home. I did not even get to finish.
You didn't finish?
No. Because it was too late. I had to go to Miss Lindsay's class.
Oh, okay.
I was almost finished. All I had to do was write one more sentence, but it was too late. Time's up.
Oh, well, maybe you get another shot tomorrow then.
That's what they said. I got one more thing to do, and that's it. I go to Miss Distance class and Miss Lindsay's class.
Oh, okay. Cool. Gabriel. Is it good, Gabriel? It's good. Tell me about it.
My pizza hit the spot.
You hit the spot. Kitty. Kitty hit the spot. It hit the spot. I know that's right. It hit the spot. Okay. It hit the spot. It hit the spot. Mm-hmm. Eat your pizza, Big Mike. Are you full, Gabriel? Are you full? Oh, you eating your pizza?
I'm almost finished with this big one.
You almost finished with the big one. Okay. Hmm? Coco.
Yes.
Kid. Hey, you finished? You finished? Did you drink all your Sprite? Oh, you want to eat some more of your pizza? What you do?
Wait.
Hmm?
Wait.
Mm-hmm. Hmm? Mm-hmm.
And I knocked down Jimmy's snacking again.
Don't worry about it. Eat your pizza.
You got knocked down, Jimmy. You got knocked down your snack. It doesn't matter.
You want some more Sprite? AJ, could you get your brother some Sprite, please? Hey, Gabriel, how about eat some more of that pizza? Are you full? Well, eat your pizza, because if you keep drinking, you ain't going to be able to eat all your pizza.
I'm so hungry for pizza.
You want to give your pizza to AJ? You want AJ to finish your pizza?
What do you mean? You mean Gabriel?
If you don't want your pizza, your brother can eat it. You full? Are you full? You're not full? Okay. Just don't make a mess. You full, Big Daddy? My daddy full. You full? Huh? Are you full? You full? All right. Yes. 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 Big boy. Big boy. You want to drink your Sprite, big boy? You want your Sprite? Sprite? Are you finished? Are you eating? Are you finished?
No, I'm still hungry.
You still hungry? We got some salmon coming up in a little bit. You want some salmon? Get some salmon when it's done.
Hey. Not now.
Okay. Hey. Hey, big boy.
Hey.
Tell me about yourself, Zachariah. Tell me about yourself. Tell all the little peeps out there what's going on.
Why die?
Say, what's up, my peeps?
What's up, my peeps?
Zachariah, say, what's up, my peeps?
What's up, my peeps? Nice and tasty.
Nice and tasty. What you doing? You throwing something? Gabriel, are you finished with that pizza?
No.
What about the one on your plate? Are you finished with that one?
No.
You getting full, Mike?
Pizza. I'm getting more full.
You getting more full? Here. How about you hold this, but keep it on your brother's, okay? I'm gonna get you some chips.
Cities. Hey, my Peeps. Hey. What's
Hey,
up?
you want to say that? No, no.
Yay.
And about some chips. Show the chips.
Well, I do.
I do.
Thank you.
Gonna be shooting things up and take a fish.
All right there. See, this is why we're gonna have to get us a tripod. This is our first video. So this holding the camera thing, oh yeah, we totally need a tripod. What's going on? What's going on, Zach? Is something on your mind? Is something on your mind? Hold on a second.
Salt and vinegar, my favorite chips.
Hmm?
I said salt and vinegar is my favorite chips.
Here's your favorite chips. Favorite chips.
Favorite chips. Excuse me.
So what y'all got planned for the week? What do y'all have planned for the week?
I don't know yet.
Oh, okay, cool. Ain't y'all got Dr. Seuss week next week at school?
I think so. You never told me.
That's what your paper said that you brought home. Duh. Yeah, it was good. It hit the spot, Zach. Ah, that hit the spot.
Yesterday, I did something helpful yesterday at school.
And what's that?
Setting a good example for my group.
Oh, and what did you do?
You know, like sit there quietly doing my work and stuff. And Taylor did the same thing.
Mm.
You too.
What you talking about, Big Mike?
Huh?
Is it good? Did it hit the spot just now, Mike?
Yes, you can. Well, mine's really did because I ate this so fast.
Mm-hmm. Them chips getting to you, Zachariah? It getting to you, Big Daddy?
That's a yes.
Oh, are we kicking? Are we kicking? What's up?
I ate everything.
All right, go put your plate up, big boy.
I know. Yeah. Well, mine's good. Can I have some more juice? It's Sprite. Can I have some more Sprite?
Sure. Are you done with your food? Are you finished? You're not finished? How about finish your food? Because we keep drinking.
Wait, didn't we add another? I want more Sprite.
Hmm? You don't want to finish your food first? Okay, go get you more Sprite. How about we wrap up this video and say, I'll just tell everybody, see each other next time.
Bye, see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
All right. Say Lil Peepz out of here.
Lil Peepz out of here.
Peace.
Peace.
Say bye, Zach.
Bye,
Zach.
And
Zach.
And thanks for watching our channel. Subscribe